Hello again. So for this video, we will be discussing on how to differentiate using trigonometric functions, or how we can take derivatives of trigonometric functions. So for example, sine, cosine, and tangents. So how we will differentiate functions with trigonometric functions. All right, so this will be our first problem. So here we will differentiate. This problem is we will differentiate y, and y is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 cosine x. So we have here some trigonometric functions. So y is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 cosine x. So we need to differentiate y in terms of x. So here's one approach that you could do. You can write the differentiation rule we're going to apply. Now, that's step one, right? The differentiation rule that we're going to apply. So we have the derivative of sine x is cosine x. And then we have the derivative of cosine x is sine x. Right? So we have here the derivative of sine. We know that the derivative of sine x is cosine x. The derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. So we need to know that because we can apply this term because of the sum difference rule of differentiation. So because we can use these derivatives later on. So we must know what's the derivative of sine and what's the derivative of cosine. So the derivative of sine x is cosine x, and the derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. And then we can rewrite it this way. Now the derivative of y is simply equal to the derivative of this minus the derivative of cosine. So we take the derivative of this one first, and then we take the derivative of this one first. So if you look in here, so that means we will take the derivative of this one first, and then minus the derivative of this one. So let's do it one step at a time. So we will take the derivative of 3 sine x minus the derivative of 4 cosine x. All right? So what is the derivative of 3 sine x? So the derivative of 3 sine x minus the derivative of 4 cosine x. So what we will do, since there are actually constants there, so that's a constant 3, we have a constant here 4, we can just take the constant out or take the constant factors outside. So we have the derivative of 3 sine x, we put 3 outside, the constant, and then we take the derivative of sine x, which is cosine x. Therefore, the derivative of 3 sine x is 3 cosine x. So, next, this one. What's the derivative of 4 cosine x? So, we will take the 4 outside, so that's 4, and we take the derivative of cosine x. So, it will be 4 sine x, which is negative, because the derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. Therefore, the final answer is negative 4 sine x. All right? And then we put them all together. So, substitute it back. So, it would be 3 cosine x minus 4 sine x. We put them together, all right? And then we simplify. So we have the derivative of y is 3 cosine. Since we have negative and negative here, so it becomes positive 4 sine x. So 3 cosine x plus 4 sine x. And that would be our final answer. So the derivative of y would be equal to 3 cosine x plus 4 sine x. It's easy, right? As long as you know exactly what's the derivative of sine, what's the derivative of cosine, then it would be easy. So just remember the derivatives of those common trigonometric functions like the derivative of cosine, derivative of sine, derivative of tangent, for example. So you could apply it in here, right? So that's our problem 1 for the derivative with trigonometric functions, right? Leave some comments if you have some questions. So leave comments below, and don't forget to give me a follow if you want to see more videos in the future. And thank you so much for watching. All right, see you next time.